جی السلام علیکم اور السلام علیکم پاکستان ناظرین و سامعین، امید آپ خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ مائنڈ فالز میں آپ کو خوش آمدید کہتے ہیں۔ اور جناب میں نے کہا چلیں ایجوکیشنل سٹف چلتا رہتا تو آج آپ کی پیش نظر ایک سوشل ایکسپیریمنٹ چھوٹا سا ہم نے کیا تھا، وہ پیش کریں گے، لیکن اس سے پہلے دیکھتے ہیں کہ پاکستان کے تناظر میں اور میڈیا پہ کیا کچھ چل رہا ہے، تو پیش خدمت ہے، دیکھیے۔
آرمی چیف جنرل عاصم منیر سے قطر کے مسلح افواج کے چیف آف سٹاف لیفٹیننٹ جنرل سالم حمد نے ملاقات کی۔
وکیل کو 5,000 روپے جرمانہ کر دیا ہے۔ پراپرٹی کے کیس میں عدالت کا وقت ضائع کرنے پر
آرمی چیف جنرل سید عاصم منیر کا رحیم یار خان کا دورہ۔
آرمی چیف جنرل عاصم منیر نے ہیوی انڈسٹریز ٹیکسلا کا دورہ کیا۔
بتائیں کہ چیف جسٹس نے مانگ کی کہ درخواست اختتامی تقریب میں آرمی چیف جنرل سید عاصم منیر کی بطور مہمان خصوصی شرکت۔
چیف جسٹس پاکستان کے ریمارکس۔
آرمی چیف جنرل عاصم منیر نے رحیم یار خان کے قریب فیلڈ مشقوں کا دورہ کیا۔
اسی سلسلے میں چیف جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ کی زیر صدارت فل کورٹ اجلاس بھی شروع ہو گیا ہے۔
چیف نے کہا کہ اس طرح کی مشقوں کے دوران باہمی
چیف جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ نے وکیل کو 5,000 روپے جرمانہ ادا کر دیا ہے۔ پراپرٹی کے کیس میں عدالت کا وقت ضائع کرنے
تقریب میں چیئرمین جوائنٹ چیف آف سٹاف کمیٹی سمیت تینوں سروسز چیفز نے بھی خصوصی شرکت کی۔
اور چیف جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ کہتے ہیں پارلیمنٹ ہماری دشمن نہیں، نہ ہی ہم پارلیمنٹ کے دشمن ہیں۔
ایک اہم خبر اس وقت آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کر لیتے ہیں۔ آرمی چیف جنرل سید عاصم منیر کا عمران کا دورہ اور ISPR کی جانب سے بتایا گیا ہے۔
چیف جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ کی سربراہی میں آج سپریم کورٹ میں بحریہ ٹاؤن اور
آرمی چیف نے کہا کہ پاک فوج قطر کی مسلح افواج کے ساتھ دفاعی تعاون بڑھانے کی خواہاں ہے۔
چیف جسٹس نے مختصر رائے جلد سنانے کا کہہ دیا۔
اہم خبر آپ کو دیں ریاض سے، جہاں آرمی چیف جنرل عاصم منیر کی سعودی ولی عہد شہزادہ محمد بے ملاقات میں سعودی عرب اور پاکستان
نے دہشت گردی کے خلاف جنگ میں بے مثال خدمات اور قربانیاں دی۔
جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ کی سربراہی میں
اس موقع پر آرمی چیف نے کہا کہ پاکستان کی مسلح افواج مادر وطن کی علاقائی سالمیت اور خود مختاری کا دفاع کرنے کے لیے بھرپور تیار ہے۔
جسٹس قاضی فائز عیسیٰ کی سربراہی میں بینچ نے رولز بنائے جانے تک آرٹیکل 183
چیف آف آرمی سٹاف جنرل سید عاصم منیر نشان امتیاز ملٹری پریڈ وینیو میں تشریف لا چکے ہیں۔
جی ناظرین، تو دیکھا آپ نے، اور ویسے آج کل میڈیا پہ جو چل رہا ہے یہی بہت دہائیوں سے چل رہا ہے، اور نام اور چہرے بدلتے رہتے ہیں، لیکن چیف جو ہے وہ کسی جگہ کا بھی ہو وہ چیف ہی ہوتا ہے، اور بلکہ چیفٹن بھی جو ہیں وہ کیا کہتے ہیں کہ سائیں تو سائیں وغیرہ وغیرہ۔ تو جناب اب ایک نظر ڈالتے ہیں ان معصوم لوگوں کی جانب کہ یہ کیا کہتے ہیں، وہ جو میں نے سوشل ایکسپیریمنٹ کا تذکرہ کیا تھا، تو چلیے آئیے دیکھتے ہیں۔
Hello.
Hi.
Who have we got today?
Caitlyn.
Hi Caitlyn, how are you doing today?
Good, thank you.
Good, brilliant. So do you know, where are you from?
Australia.
Australia. And do you know who's the Prime Minister of Australia?
Yes.
What are they called?
Anthony Albanese.
Brilliant. And do you know who is the Chief Justice of Australia?
No.
No? Okay. What about the Army Chief?
No.
Any previous ones?
There was I can't remember his name.
That's right. Are they not in the media, or like they're not like of public interest, or
what was his name? Peter Cosgrove or something, I think.
Okay. All right. So that's more like guesswork, but well, don't worry too much about it. That's fine. Okay. Thanks a lot, and thanks for your time.
No worries.
Bye.
Okay, here we go. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Natasha.
Hi Natasha, where are you from?
New Zealand.
Okay. Do you mind answering a few questions?
Sure.
Okay. So who is the Prime Minister of New Zealand?
Someone Luxon.
Okay. And do you know who is the Chief Justice of the country?
No.
Well, you never bothered?
Never bothered.
Okay. What about the Chief of Army Staff?
No.
You don't know?
No.
That's good enough. Thanks a lot.
It's okay.
Bye.
Thanks. See you.
Hello, who have we got here?
Hi, I'm Michael.
Hi Michael, how are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Okay, Michael, do you mind if I ask you a few quick questions?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so do you know where you're from?
So I was born in Victoria.
Do you know who's the Prime Minister of Australia?
So it's Anthony Albanese.
Brilliant. That's great, you're doing well. And do you know who is the Chief Justice of the country?
No.
Okay. What about the Chief of Army Staff? You must be knowing that.
Chief of Army Staff, no.
No. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, who have we got?
My name is Kylie.
Hi, Kylie. How are you doing today?
Well, thank you.
Okay, and where are you originally from?
Nauru, Republic of Nauru.
Republic of Nauru, okay.
So we've got a president and his cabinet.
Okay.
So it's President, His Excellency David Adine.
Okay, that's good. And who is your army chief?
We do not have an army.
Oh, you don't have an army?
No, we do not.
All right. And who is the Chief Justice of the country?
I can find out. I will just have to go back and look through my gazettes, but at this minute, I don't know the name.
Okay. Any previous Chief Justices that you know of, or army chiefs?
No names.
No. Oh, you don't have an army?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Well, that's brilliant. Thanks a lot. That was quick and easy.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Who have we got here?
Hi, my name is Tom Sai.
Hi, Tom. The advantage of having you, Tom, today is obviously you've kind of belong to two different places. So do you want to tell us a bit about where were you born and...
Yeah, I was born in Taiwan and I grew up in Canada.
Brilliant. Now, do you mind if I ask you a few questions around that?
Sure.
Okay. So do you know who is the current Prime Minister or President of Taiwan?
Yeah, it's currently Tsai Ing-wen. She's the current President of Taiwan. But in April, there will be a new elected President, Lai Ching-te, who will be taking over.
Okay. And what about Canada? Who's the current?
Oh, the current Prime Minister is Justin Trudeau.
Yes, we all know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next bit is can be a bit tricky. So, starting with Taiwan, who's the current Army Chief of Taiwan?
I do not know that.
Okay. Are they not in the media, or are they not doing stuff for the country or the nation?
I'm sure they're doing stuff, but it's not I don't think they're in the media very often.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There might be some interviews with the president where they mention what the army chief might be doing, but it's not commonly.
Okay. So they're not publicly kind of that.
No.
Kind of in that domain, media domain. Okay. Now, who is the Chief Justice of Taiwan?
I probably should know this, but I don't know this either.
Okay.
I haven't lived there.
No, that's fine. Yeah. That's fine. Well, you've been honest. Yeah. And now moving on to Canada, we already spoken about the Prime Minister. Who is the Army Chief in Canada?
I do not know that either. Again, I don't think the Army Chief is something that it's mentioned much in the media.
Okay. And who is the Chief Justice of Canada?
I do not know that either.
Thanks a lot. Thanks,
No worries.
Tom. Take care. Bye. Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Chima.
Chima. Where are you from, Chima?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Okay, nice. And if I ask, do you know who's the current Prime Minister of Nigeria?
We do have a president, yes, I know.
Oh, it's a presidential
Yes.
form of government. Okay. So, and do you know their name?
His name is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He's the president, recently elected, yes.
Okay, good. And do you know who's the Chief Justice of the country?
No, I can't remember his name. I think I do know him, but I can't remember his name. So I don't know him. Yeah.
So probably they're not doing their job properly, that's why you don't know them? Or is generally people don't know about them?
Most people don't know them because they don't really bother about
They're
this.
not in the media?
Yes.
What about the Army Chief?
No, I don't know the Army Chief.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, Chima. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, who have we got?
My name's Andy.
Hi, Andy. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Okay. Do you mind if I ask you a few simple questions?
No, fire away.
Okay. Where are you from?
Scotland.
All
UK.
right. UK. So do you know who is the current Prime Minister?
No, I can only tell you that he's of Indian ethnicity, but I don't know the name.
Okay. Rishi Sunak is the Prime Minister. Well, anyways, do you know who's the Chief Justice of the country?
I don't.
And who's the Army Chief?
Don't know.
Any previous Army Chiefs that you know of?
No.
Okay. All right. No worries. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Take care.
No
Bye.
good.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi. Who have we got here?
I'm Farai.
Hi, Farai. How was your day?
Pretty laid back, yeah.
Good. Where are you from?
From Zimbabwe, yeah.
All right. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Sure, go ahead.
So, who's the head of state of Zimbabwe currently?
President Emmerson Mnangagwa, yeah.
Okay, so you've got a presidential system over there. Okay. And who is the army chief, current army chief?
Chiwenga. Yeah, I've forgotten his first name as I said it.
All right. Do you know any other army chiefs? Are they popular in there? No. So how come you know this one's name?
Because he was married to my mom's relative. Once upon a time.
That's fine. And who is the Chief Justice of Zimbabwe currently?
I have no idea.
No idea. None of the previous ones, you know.
No, I've lost touch. Yeah.
Okay. Lost touch of brilliant. Well, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
Talia.
Hi, Talia. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad. Okay, Talia, where are you originally from?
Australia.
Australia, okay. What's the name of the current Prime Minister?
I have no idea.
Okay. And what about any clues? Any first names, second names?
Does it start with A?
Something starting with
Albert.
A-L, B.
Albanese?
Yes. Oh, well done. Great. And do you know who's the army chief of the country?
No.
Oh, do you know any of the previous ones?
No.
Never heard of them in the media or social media, or they're not cutting ribbons here and there? No?
No.
Arms deals? No? Okay. What about the Chief Justice of the country?
No idea.
No idea. Okay. Are they doing their jobs properly, do you reckon?
Probably not if I don't know.
Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, Talia. Thanks
you.
for your time. Take care. Bye.
Thanks.
Who have we got? Oh, it's Imran.
Hi.
Hi, Imran. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
All right. And if I asked you, do you know who's the Prime Minister of India?
Our Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay, that's good to know. Do you know who is the Chief Justice of the country?
No, I don't know that.
All right. What about the Chief of Army Staff?
No, I don't know.
Hello, Salam alaikum. Who have we got?
Rida.
Okay, Rida. So, where are you from, Rida?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, okay. Do you know who's the head of state in Saudi Arabia?
King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud.
Do you know who is the Chief Justice of the country?
No.
Oh, that's quite simple and plain. जी नाजरीन, तो देखा आपने एक छोटा सा सैम्पल आपकी पेश खिदमत था, और अगर मेरा ख्याल है, गालिब इम्कान है कि अगर पूरे के पूरे यूरोप, अमेरिका, स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज़ वगैरह वगैरह वहाँ पे भी इस तरह का सर्वे कराया जाए तो कमाबेश इसी तरह के जवाब आपको मिलेंगे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द सैम्पल में। तो अब इस सादगी पे कौन ना मर जाए गालिब, इसको मासूमियत कहें, इतने लाइल्म लोग हैं, इतने लाताल्लुक़ लोग हैं, और कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं है कि भाई मुल्क कैसे चलाए जाते हैं और उनको चलाने वालों की जो कदर है वो कैसे की जाती है। तो मीडिया से मुझे हमदर्दी है, पाकिस्तानी मीडिया से, और टीवी पे वो जो आता था ना कि ज़रा गौर फरमाइए, तो आप गौर फरमाइए, और बहैसियत अवाम मैं चल के IMF से कोई कर्ज़ वर्ज़ अरेंज करता हूँ और एक अच्छी सी आवाम के लिए और अपने लिए पतलून ख़रीदने का बंदोबस्त करता हूँ। ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।